In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user on Planoly, full 2025 guide. We'll walk through the exact workflow on web, explain what each screen means, and share a few tips so your teammate can get in quickly and start collaborating. First, open Planoly in a web browser and sign in. Make sure you're working inside the multi-channel workspace. This is the view designed for managing multiple profiles and teams. If you see a left-hand sidebar with account and channel options, you're in the right place. Staying on web matters here because the invitation flow is most consistent in the desktop interface. Next, look to the left side panel and click the profile icon. From the menu that appears, choose Manage Social Sets. Social sets are collections of your connected social channels, and this is where you control who has access to collaborate with you. Give the page a second to load so all of your sets and settings populate. Inside the Social Sets Manager, find the section labeled Team Members. Depending on your layout, you may see the label or a small profile icon for that area. This section houses existing collaborators and is where you'll send new invitations. If you don't see it, confirm you're viewing the correct social set and that your account has the right permissions to manage team members. To invite someone, enter the email address of the person you want to add, then click the Invite or Done button to send. Double check the spelling before you submit. A mistyped address can delay access. Planoly will email them an invitation. They'll need to sign in with that same email address, and if they don't already have a Planoly account, they'll be prompted to create one during acceptance. If they mention they didn't receive the email, suggest checking spam or promotions and make sure they're looking at the inbox for the exact address you used. Once they accept the invitation, they'll be added to your workspace. From there, they can access the connected social channels within the relevant social set and collaborate on planning, scheduling, and publishing. The level of collaboration and number of users supported depends on your current plan tier, so if you're managing a larger team, it's worth confirming your plan's user limits. Finally, return to Manage Social Sets and open the Team Members section to verify that the new user now appears in the list. You can assign them to the appropriate social sets so they see the right channels in the multi-channel workspace. If the list doesn't refresh immediately, give it a moment or reload the page. That's it. You've successfully added a user to Planoly, ensured their invite went out, and confirmed their access in the team members list.